Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentations video. This is Abdullah Numan, Department of Mathematics, Kumilla University. My ID is 12404032. In this video, I am going to start a presentation on the subject of computer fundamentals, and my topic name is converting binary to decimal. I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Dr. Mahmudul Hassan, Associate Professors and Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Kumilla University. Now I would like to begin my presentations. So, converting binary to decimals, real life applications. A journey into the heart of computing, explore binary to decimal conversations. Binary and decimal systems and interaction. Binary, the language of computers using 0 and 1. Decimal, our everyday number system base 10. Binary, base 2 systems. Decimal, base 10 systems. Understanding place value. Each digit's position determines its value. Learn the weighting system. Binary, power of 10, 1, power of 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. Decimal, powers of 10, 1, 10, 100, thousands, and so on. Binary, powers of 2, decimal, powers of 10. Example 1. Converting 101101 binary to decimals. First of all, 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is equal to 45. 101101 in binary is 45 in decimal. Calculation step by step, write down result decimal equivalent. Example 2. Converting 111100000 binary to decimals. 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0 is equal to 240. 11110000 in binary is 240 in decimal. Binary value 11110000, decimal value 240. Real life application 1. Computer architecture, data representation and processing. Computers use binary memory addresses, instruction sets, and data values. Data storage, binary for files, processing, CPU operations. Benefits of understanding conversion, troubleshooting, identify and fix errors in digital systems. Programming, understand how data is stored and manipulated. Debugging, optimization, data analysis, system design. Conclusion and further learning. Binary to decimal conversion is fundamental. It's crucial for understanding computers. Explore more advanced topics like hexadecimal and octal conversions. That's it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.